Hello everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to decide whether to accept the null hypothesis or reject it by comparing the critical value and the z value. Okay, so let's start. We have a level of significance of 0.01 and our type of test is left-tailed. Because it is left-tailed, so therefore our critical value is negative 2.33. Okay, so this negative 2.33, we will compare it to our computed z value or t value, which is negative 2.54. So what we're going to do is we draw a normal curve and observe if the computed z value falls under the rejection region. So because we have left-tailed, so somewhere our rejection region is under negative 2.33, somewhere here in the left. And our negative 2.54 is found. So negative 2.33, negative 2.4, negative 2.54 somewhere. So somewhere here is the negative 2.54. If you notice, our z value falls under the rejection region. So therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. Next, if our level of significance is 0.01 and our type of test is right-tailed, so that means we have a positive critical value. Okay, so let's draw a normal curve again. And our 2.33 is found here on the right. So we have positive 2.33. Let's shade it. Then our positive 2.08 is somewhere, because this is 2.33, so somewhere 2.2, 2.1, or 2.08. So our 2.08 is or can be found here outside the rejection region. So our z value falls under the non-rejection region. So therefore, we accept the null hypothesis. Next, if our level of significance is 0.10 and our type of test is two-tailed, so that means our critical value is positive 1.65 and negative 1.65. If we're going to draw this, we have like this. Okay, so let's assume we can be 1.65 is somewhere here on the right side, and on the left side somewhere here negative 1.65. Okay, so our 1.54 positive can be found somewhere here on the right side, but it falls under the non-rejection region. So therefore, our decision in number 3 is accept the null hypothesis. Next, if our level of significance is 0.05 and our type of test is two-tailed, then our critical value is positive 1.96 and negative 1.96. So I'll just draw a arrow here. So this is our normal curve. So we have 1.96 negative and positive 1.96. Okay, so our z value or the computed value is 0.18. So if we look at the 0.18, so in the middle is 0, and 0.18 is somewhere here. Okay, it falls under the non-rejection region. So therefore, our decision is accept the null hypothesis. Next, if our level of significance is 0.05 and our type of test is left-tailed, then our critical value is negative 1.65. Okay, so let's draw here. So negative is on the left side. It's in the left side. It's negative 1.65. Okay. So our computed z value is negative 1.70. So negative 1.70 is somewhere here. And it falls under the rejection region. So therefore, our decision is reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so if you have queries, just ask. So I leave the last item for you to answer. Comment your answer below, and thank you for watching.